How to use blockchain to secure enterprise transactions. What if you could secure every transaction in your business with an unbreakable digital lock, visible to everyone but tamper-proof to all? That's the promise of blockchain technology, and it's redefining how enterprises protect their most critical data and deals. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a distributed network. Each entry is encrypted, time-stamped, and linked to the one before it, creating a chain of trust that's nearly impossible to alter. Here's how to leverage blockchain to secure enterprise transactions. Step 1. Choose the right blockchain type. Public chains like Ethereum offer transparency, while private or permissioned blockchains like Hyperledger Fabric or Quorum provide security and control tailored for enterprise environments. Step 2. Identify key use cases. Think smart contracts for automated payment releases, audit trails for supply chain logistics, or fraud-proof identity verification systems. Start with one high-value use case before scaling. Step 3. Integrate with existing systems. Use APIs and middleware to connect blockchain platforms to ERP, CRM, or accounting software. This ensures seamless workflows while maintaining the integrity of blockchain-based records. Step 4. Focus on compliance and encryption. Ensure your blockchain solution complies with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or SOX. All data written to the chain should be encrypted, with access restricted to authorized users only. Step 5. Monitor, scale, and optimize. Leverage dashboards to track transaction flow and system health. As adoption grows, you can expand to multi-party agreements, digital asset management, or tokenized operations. Blockchain isn't just for crypto, it's your enterprise's next layer of digital armor. Like staying ahead in business tech? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly insights into smart, secure innovation.